bend that knee with your foot kind of flat on the table. And if you need to, you know, yep.
I should send this to my orthopedic surgeon.
Why?
Just to show him the good work he did.
All right, so what do you feel at that point?
Right there.
And describe it.
Tightness. Actually, that's hard all the way across. And the leg just won't. It just won't go any further.
Okay, and so if we look at range of motion from that position, we're at 79. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this. So the problem with goniometry is we can be off 5 degrees any given day within the session, and that's 5 degrees down, 5 degrees up. That means 10 degrees total. What I did was I created a mark for each bar and then a dot for the ends of the goniometer, so that I can line that up exactly the same way after and before.
Got it.
So we're starting at 79 degrees.
Makes sense. I think it's 2 hours. They're on mountain time now.
Okay. So let's start.
And this is coming from someone who is not flexible, period. They're
Right.
being, 120. It wasn't a noise. I feel it, but it's, for the most part, I can feel something.
Okay. Yeah, so like you just did, let's try to bring that foot down a little bit if you can. Or you can scoot your butt forward.
Yeah, that's even worse.
Okay. So on your own, try and pull it down again as far as you feel like you can. Okay, we'll line up. So we got this guy, we got that guy. And right now we're at 85. Okay. So I mean, that was 6 degrees without doing any real manual or anything else to it. Go ahead and straighten that leg, rest it up there, let your heel go over the top.
Yeah. It hurts.